Welcome to this 2 to 3 bedroom property located in a lovely village in the centre of the Subbética region of Andalusia. The nearest town is Alcaudete, which is about 15 minutes drive and has all amenities that you will need. You will just see some stairs on the left. We will go up those soon to another terrace. There are 2 double bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and an additional smaller room, which we'll see soon on the first floor. Now, what is really beneficial about this property is that it has a new roof. It's ready to move into, so no need to call on builders, rely on builders, and manage them from afar. Builders in Spain at the minute are very difficult to pin down, so there is quite a delay with most of the builders that I'm familiar with in getting work done. So it's extremely valuable to have a property that doesn't need anything. You can see that there is a log burner here, and then for heating there are also 3 wall heaters installed. There is also an air conditioning unit on each floor. The oven and hob were installed in 2025, so reasonably new. The windows are UPVC double glazed. The property really does tick a lot of boxes. It's very easy lock up and leave property with outdoor space of the patio on this level and then the terrace higher up, which we'll see soon. So low maintenance and with views. So we have this room here that can be used as an additional bedroom, but it does lend itself really well to a study or office, having no windows. Here we have the guest bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom. It's quite rare to find 2 ensuite bathrooms in a property of this size. There really is very little work to do in this house. It is ready just to move into and enjoy. And it's a really nice, workable layout. Here you get your first glimpse of the views across the stunning olive groves. And now into the master bedroom, which is right next to a bathroom, so I would consider it ensuite, but it's also accessible to guests without walking through this room. Now, this is the room that is fitted with the air conditioning unit. The kitchen vanity unit was installed in 2025 too. Let's now just double back on ourselves, and we're going outside up the metal staircase to the terrace. And it doesn't disappoint. Another beautiful area with spectacular views. Now heading back down the staircase and into what is located underneath this terrace. It's a storage area that can be used also as a workroom. And also it's a place to store the wood, leña as it's known in Spanish, ready for the winter. And you'll see that the boiler's here. The boiler is new too, was also installed in 2025.
Thank you very much for watching that video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Now, if you're interested in purchasing or viewing the property, then please contact me, Leslie, on 0034 646 004 582 646 004 582. Don't just put messages below the video if you are interested in viewing. However, please comment below the video if you just want to give me your opinion. That's great. Now, you can watch more videos. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll be one of the first notified if with the new properties that I release, and similar video to this right here that you can check out. Okay, speak to you soon. Thanks again for watching. Adios. See you later. Hasta luego. Un beso.